You. Hello. We have. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Yeah, I got a call. I was on a call. So
Okay, no issues.
sorry. So
Ah,
cd forward slash we go. We have created something called practice, correct?
correct.
The last class. And we have
Yes,
applied the file permission chmod 777 on practice, right?
yes, yes.
Right, no?
Yeah,
Correct, no? This is what we have done. Means anybody can access that particular directory, right?
right. Ram, I'm not able to view your screen.
Screen,
Mm,
screen is already sharing, man. Why is that happening to you? I'm screen sharing again. Try.
uh, now I can see.
Okay, cool. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
cd forward slash. And then we have created a directory called practice. And we have done
Correct.
chmod 777 practice, correct?
Yes.
So cd practice and C. Did we create any files here? Yeah, we have created file 1 and file 2.
Yeah.
Let us LL and see who's the owner of the file.
Root.
Root. Okay. Let us log in as Ram. Ram is not there, I guess. Sankirtana, let us log in. Okay. I guess
Mm-hmm.
Sankirtana is there. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now Sankirtana will be others, no?
Correct.
Others, no. Root does not belong, is not the user, does not belong to the group. So will fall under others. Correct?
Uh-huh.
Correct or not? Everybody?
Yes.
Navya? Navya అర్థమవుతుందా? నవ్య
Yes, sir. Yes, అర్థమవుతుంది.
అర్థమవుతుందా? సంకీర్తన
Yeah, yeah.
అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? సంకీర్తన you're getting it.
Yes, yes, I'm able to understand. Me,
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, we are on the same page then. So so now Sankirtana wants to edit this file 1. What is it saying?
Read only.
Read only. Okay. Now what happens is, now let me exit as Sankirtana and then let me give chmod 707. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is 707? You tell me. What are the file permissions?
Read, write, execute.
Read, write,
No,
execute for who?
for 7.
Not for 7. For owner.
Okay, okay, like that. Ha ha
File
ha.
permissions, no. This
Mm-hmm,
is the
mm-hmm.
file
Got it,
permissions
got
are,
it.
no? The
For
first
owner, it
one,
is read, write, execute.
owner permissions. Owner permissions are read, write, execute, no?
Yes,
The
yes.
second one is group permissions, no?
Yeah,
Correct.
group will not have any,
Group will not have
rights.
any file permission, so 3 dashes you will get. Correct.
Right. Others will have.
Others will have how many? Others
Others will have everything.
Others will have everything. This is what you have given. One of the blunders you can do anytime. Okay, we will
Ah,
not give 707 anytime, but
okay.
we want to see how it works. That's why we are giving. Okay.
Okay.
Now Sankirtana is another. Correct. No.
Yes.
Sankirtana. Let us do vi file 1. Okay.
One. Hmm.
So now insert and write hi. I can now edit the file because others have read, write, execute on them. Understood?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now I will WQ. Okay. Let
Mm-hmm.
me exit then. LL again.
Mm-hmm.
Root is there. See, last time when we have created something in Sankirtana's home directory, when she is editing it, the owner and group is becoming Sankirtana because it is her own directory. Understood?
Correct.
This is not her own directory, so the edit is being the edit.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yeah.
Clear, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me remove write. Okay. Let me
Mm-hmm.
remove write.
Right.
Chmod 705. 5 means read and execute. Correct?
Yeah.
Read and execute for who?
For the others.
Correct. Sankirtana falls under others. Correct?
Yes.
SU Sankirtana. Now I do SU Sankirtana and then vi file 1. Enter. See, file is still read only.
Right.
But when it is script, she can execute it. We are calling every time. Script means somebody can execute. Script means somebody can execute. What is this? Let us see what is a script first of all. Okay.
Okay.
Script is a shell script which is combination of commands. Okay. So
Okay.
if you enter date, you will get this information. Okay. This is the date command. Okay. By using date, I will write a small script. Okay. Vi today.sh. Okay.
Okay.
.sh should be the extension of shell script. Okay.
Okay.
So enter. Insert mode we go and we will give shebang. What is the meaning of shebang? Shebang will tell you about what shell you are using. Okay. Every shell script starts with this one. This is called shebang or shebang. Okay.
Okay.
So here we are giving bin by bash. This is the default. This is the default shell for everyone. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
Not sure. Ah?
Yeah, you should tell. This is the first time you're listening to that,
I
right?
should tell. Ah? Okay. I should tell. Okay. Tail -1 / etc by psswd. You check there and see what is in the last.
Bin bash. Okay.
This was the shell. No, we already discussed this. No.
Missed
That is
it.
why you should follow every day's class. Okay. So now you have bin by bash, which is the default shell for everyone. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me take something, a variable. Variable means variables value can change time to time. Correct? Huh?
Yeah.
A is equal to dollar of date I have given. Whatever inside date should be saved inside this one. Okay.
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 Yeah.
A is equal to dollar of date. Can I give like this? I guess yes. Okay. Echo today is $A. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let us give like this, and then chmod 700 today.sh. I will write a script. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
700 means
Read write access for root.
read
I mean,
it
sorry, owner.
execute for root. Who is the owner? Correct? Huh?
Yeah.
Remaining nobody will get anything. So
Yeah.
to run the script, you will use current working directory by today.sh. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Today is not coming. Okay, wait. Let me write script properly. A equal to dollar date is not working. So a equal to date let us give. Okay. So now let us run the script. Today is date. Okay, a is equal to date. It is taking a string. Okay. Wait, I'll do something about this. Dollar of date. Let me give like this. No, it's not working. Okay. Let me edit this one. I forgot this one. Seriously, I forgot. Okay. WQ. Okay. Now it is coming, no?
Mm.
So the notation difference. Okay. So a equal to dollar of date. Whatever is the output of date will be saved inside the variable called a. Understood?
Okay.
So this dollar a, whatever the value is inside the a should be coming after today is. Understood? Echo
Okay.
is to print this particular statement.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yeah.
Every time the date value changes, it gets saved inside this, and this value will be coming here. Understood?
Yeah.
Clear? Ah?
Yes.
So this is a small script we are using today. Okay.
Okay.
Let me make it capital. It will look a bit better. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry, I have written mistake. Okay. Today.sh. Let us write today.sh.
SH.
Today is Tuesday and the time and UTC it is coming. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now you understand that if I remove 644 today.sh owner also cannot use because there is no execute bit on this. Let us try running this today.sh now. Permission is denied. What is 644? You tell me.
Read write and then read only.
Read write and read only. Correct? Read write is for owner. Read only is for
Group and others.
group and others. So no execute bit. So nobody can do it. So what you can do is there is one more way of allocating it. I have told you alphabets, right?
Yes.
Alphabetical way is u plus x, user plus x. Okay.
Okay.
Today.sh. So execute bit I am giving. Understood. For who I am giving? Owner of the file. Who is the user? Understood. Okay.
U
Now
plus X is user can execute, is it?
user can execute. That's all. Simple. Okay. Now I can execute. See? Understood.
Yeah.
So if I give others, how will I give others? O plus
O
X.
plus
today.
execute.
If it is group, how will I give? G plus X.
G plus execute.
If I want to give to everyone, UGO plus.
Okay.
Understood?
It
Now
is
I
for
have
execute.
it is for execute. SU Sankirtana, let us say. Okay? Now Sankirtana has to execute that script today.sh. Fine. She can execute it. Understood?
Right. What
Clear.
about read and write in
Can
this
she read the file? Let us see, can she read the file? She should be able to read the file because she has read access on it. See? Read only.
No. I was asking that we used U plus execute, G plus execute, right? That is for executing.
That is for executing, correct.
What about writing and reading? Are there some other, letters? That is what I wanted to ask.
I did not understand. You tell me what is.
Okay. So this U plus X was there, right?
Correct.
That is user can execute.
Execute. Read
Now,
and
if
write
I want to
also you
give
can give.
user can read or user can write, how will I give
U
that?
plus R.
That only I wanted.
W. If you want to remove, you will remove as U minus R, U minus W, U minus X, G minus W. Like that you can remove also. For
Okay.
example, let us have a small file. We have a file called file1, correct? RMF and RF1. Let us delete this and then ls. And then you have file1, correct? Chmod UGO plus RWX file. I am giving like this. What happens
We are
now?
having all the read, write, and execute access.
Correct. So now as Sankirtana I cannot do it. As root I need to do. Okay? Chmod UGO plus RWX file1. Understood?
Okay.
Now LL, everyone has read, write, execute. See?
Correct.
Now I want to remove some file permissions. How will I remove G minus WX or GO minus WX?
Okay. File 1.
LL.
Ha.
This is easy, no? The numbering.
Yeah. That we have to remember.
That you have
This
to
is
remember.
easy.
This you don't have to remember.
This is easy.
This is easy, no?
Yeah.
Chmod.
So we can use anything, right? Like
U minus X file 1. LL check. It has been removed. Execute has been removed from here.
Right.
Correct.
Yeah. So Ram, we can use anything, right? Either where those numbers or these letters.
Anything you can use.
Anytime.
Anything you can use. Okay. But somebody asks you 711. What are the file permissions? Then what will you do? Then if you forget this, you'll miss an integer question. Understood?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
When you are working, you do U plus X or you do you do some other thing, nobody will really give a damn about it.
Mm-hmm.
But in interviews, they will ask, no?
Okay.
Interviewers are always sadists. Understand this.
I hope you are only our interviewer.
I am also an interviewer, but
See?
I'm not a sadist. Sometimes I will be a sadist because they will give me work, they will give me interviews, then I will be a sadist.
Hmm.
Can't do anything about it. Okay, fine. So moving on. Moving on. Now we have understood about how to give the file permissions. This is common for everything. Even if it is a directory, it is same. Okay.
Okay.
mkdir, dir. Let us give ll. There is dir. Okay.
Hmm.
So now I want to change the file permissions. chmod 777 dir will make it ll. All the file permissions are here. But I have a task for you. The task is Google what RWX does to dir. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And let me know tomorrow. Okay? I'm not going to touch it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Why are we doing this? Why can't you explain? You can ask me, because you also need to understand how to Google things. Not everything is known to you, right?
Hmm.
So you also have to understand how to particularly do it. If you are not getting it, I'll explain it to you. Okay?
Fine.
But Google it. Try learning few more things. Whatever in the class we are explaining, we'll follow that. And then we Google on it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay? So Google what, for example, R is there on directory. What will happen? W is there on directory. What will happen? X is there on directory. What will happen? Understood?
Yeah.
Just like file, what happens when there is read on file? You can read the file. If there is W, you can edit the file. If it is X, what happens? If it is a
It can
script,
execute.
you can run it.
Okay. Okay.
Correct.
Yes.
Like this, find out what happens if there are RWX on
DR.
directories and get back to me tomorrow. This is the small task we have. Okay?
Okay.
So now you have understood how to give the file permissions on directory chmod 777 dir. Correct? This is how I have given the file permissions. Now, if I ll, you can see RWX, RWX, RWX. How,
Hmm.
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So let me go into the dir and make 1000 files. Okay? File
Okay. 1
1
to 1000.
and one step back I'll come. Okay?
Okay.
LL, RWX, RWX, RWX. Now, whatever the file permissions I am giving, they should act recursively. Recursively means directory plus contents. Correct?
Yeah.
You forgot it. You forgot it. CP-R means what? Recursive. RM-R means what? Recursive.
Recursive.
Recursive means what? Recursive
Uh,
means what? Directory plus contents.
directory plus contents.
Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So now I want dir and all files in it to have 755 permissions. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
755 in the sense owner permissions are RWX, group
Group
permissions
permissions are
are
read and execute.
read and execute, others
Same for
permissions
others.
are also
Read and execute.
read and execute. Understood?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So now the command for it is chmod hyphen capital R. Okay? 755 dir. That's it.
What is this high? I mean, capital.
Capital R is recursive.
Okay.
Okay?
We cannot use lowercase r, no?
No, you cannot use lowercase. Linux is case sensitive. Okay?
Okay.
Linux is
Case
case sensitive. Case sensitive means you know, right?
Yes.
Uppercase and lowercase are considered different. For
Yes.
example, I have created a user called Swati. If I have created another user called Swati, if I have created another user called Swati, even if I have created another user called Swati, if I have created a user called Swati, these are all different.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah,
Yeah.
got.
So commands will also work like that. So you should be entering the same commands I am entering. Chmod -capital R 755 dir means dir will get 755
Mm-hmm.
and the contents will also get 755.
Yeah. That is those 1,000 files.
1000 files. LL, let's see. This is 755, correct?
Yeah.
Hmm.
CD, dir and LL now. These are all 755. Check.
Correct.
Understood?
Yeah.
This is about recursively adding file permissions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let us remove everything that is here. And clear. So let me create a file touch file. Correct? And
Yeah.
let me make a directory dir. Okay?
Yeah.
LL. Now if you observe, there are defaultly some permissions coming. Correct?
Correct.
You did not do anything. You just created and they are coming up. Correct?
Yeah.
This concept is dependent on a value called umask. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Umask is the value when subtracted from full file permissions.
Just a minute. I'll come.
We will get default file permissions. When you are back, let me know.
Ha. I'm back. Thank you.
Okay. So the umask is the value when subtracted from full file permissions. We will get the default file permissions. Okay.
Okay.
So what is umask? Umask is 022. Okay, there is one more bit in the front. It is 0022. We will talk about this forward, this preceded zero, this zero in special permissions. Okay. For now, let us think it is 0022. And let us think the file permissions are 0777 for the directory. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Full file permissions. 0022. If you subtract, how much you will get? 0755.
755.
This is for the directory by default. These are default directory permissions.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Check here. 755 now? Correct?
Yes, yes.
Correct, no?
Yes, yes.
Now, file by default will not be having the execute bit on it. Okay? So
Okay.
full file permissions are 666. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is for the file. Minus 0022 you do. How much it is coming? 0644. So
Yeah.
eliminate the 0 there. 644 is the default file permissions. Understood?
File. Okay.
But when you are saying full file permissions, RWX should be full file permissions. No, when you are saying it is RW, you are saying for the file. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
When saying 666, correct?
Yeah.
When you are saying 666, it is RW, no?
Yeah, 666.
When it is 777, it is RWX.
Yes.
But why are you saying the default file permissions for the file is only 666? Because the execute bit is not there. Okay? This is by Linux standards. No execute bit on the files. Understood?
Okay, but why did this UMask come? That I don't understand.
UMask is the value that is Linux standard. Okay? This is the
Okay.
Linux standard.
Okay. 0022 is Linux standard.
This is standard. Okay? When you subtract this number from full file permissions, you will get the default file permissions. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, you can change the UMask also. Okay?
Okay.
Here comes the tricky part. I'll complicate it a bit here. For example, when I am saying my UMask is 0011. Okay?
Okay.
So you have to subtract it from full file permissions. No, 777011. If you subtract it, how much will it happen? 7766. Correct. This is directory permissions. Okay.
Huh.
So now when 666 minus 011 when you are doing, how much will it be?
655.
655.
Wrong. It
How?
is 66.
Why?
I don't know basic mathematics, no?
Hey. 6 minus 1 is 5.
666 minus 011. My son can do better subtractions than you. So you should be
Your
saying that.
son now.
So
See?
no, my daughter or my son, my kid does the subtraction better than you. Correct?
You have a kid, is it?
No, I don't have a kid. How will I have a kid without marriage? They will
Your kid
throw
will do.
stones at me. My father will literally kill me and send me to the ancestors where my ancestors will be crying.
You tell us, how did this become?
So now I'll tell you how it happens. Okay?
Huh.
What is one, first of all? What is one? You tell me what is one. Tell me the file permissions here. It is
Execute.
hyphen execute hyphen execute. Correct?
Correct.
Correct? Right?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
What did I tell you about the file permissions here? It is rw hyphen. Correct?
Correct.
When execute bit is not there, how will you remove the execute bit?
Remove it. Got it.
Now got it. Your
Understood?
son will not know so much. Don't worry.
If my son knows this, I'll be shocked. I'll be. I'll leave the
Gen
world.
Z.
Who knows? Tomorrow we might be your son's trainers.
This will be the file permissions.
Okay.
I don't want him to enter IT first of all. Okay. So
Okay.
now understand this. So what happens here is every time I give change the UMask to something, somebody will change like this. For example, 033 they will choose. Okay.
Okay.
Now 777 minus 033 they will do. Okay. Then it will be 744. Okay. This is directory permissions. This is always straightforward. You don't have a problem with it. Now 666 minus 033, how much?
Wait, we have to go by ABCD. 666 is RW dash and 033 is WX.
RW. Correct?
Yeah.
This is
WX.
WX. First one is 0. First one is 0.
0.
The next one is WX. Correct? The next one is WX. Okay. Now when you are removing this, what happens? You tell me.
Wait, RW hyphen, so it is 6.
It is 6.
And then RX means 5. 5, right? Wrong.
You tell me. I don't know.
See, RW minus WX is only W will go, right? So
now W will go. X is not there, no? Already. Hello.
X is not there above.
You
below
can't
also
remove.
will not come.
You cannot remove something that is not there. Chandni is not on the call right now. Can you remove Chandni from the call?
No. So it is
same logic applies here.
Correct. R dash means 644.
644, no?
Yeah.
Then it should be RW hyphen R hyphen.
R hyphen.
Okay, good. One more umask value, let us see. 055 umask. 7 minus 055. How much?
733.
722.
Sorry.
Basic mathematics, you are not getting it. How will you do it? 722. Correct directory permissions. These are. Okay. Now 666 minus 055 you do.
RW dash, wait. What is 5 is? RX.
RW dash. Minus you don't have anything here.
RX.
RX you have. Correct? RX. Again RX. Correct? Now you remove and tell me how much it will be.
6. 22.
Because execute is not there, you cannot remove execute. Okay.
Yeah, R we can remove, so remove.
R we can remove. So from RW, when you are removing R, there will only be W. Correct?
Correct.
Take like this. RW hyphen minus R hyphen X. Okay. Which is not there, you cannot remove. Which is there, you can remove. So which is there, you have removed.
Yeah. Okay.
Understood?
Got it.
Clear?
Yeah.
This is the umask we will be discussing. Okay? So this completes your file permissions.
Okay.
Okay. The only thing that is pending is how will things work on directories.
Okay.
Okay.
For Linux only that is pending, or how?
Only the file permissions. How will the directory permissions act on directory RWX?
Okay.
That is only pending. That you have to Google and come back. If not, I will explain you tomorrow. Just because I will explain you tomorrow, if you are not Googling, I will give left and right.
We'll check.
So now let's log in once and change the umask value. Okay.
Okay.
C2-user. This pace is good, no? We are going at a good pace.
Yes.
Okay. If we are understanding, that is the best thing we can do. Umask. What is the default umask value?
0022.
0022. Let me
Yes.
change the umask value to 0011. Understood?
Hmm.
Now let me create a file. Touch file 3. Okay.
But one question, why do we change the umask value?
See, nobody will change the umask value. This is an interview question.
Okay.
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 You won't be
Nobody
changing
will.
umask value. Nobody will. Nobody will change the umask value. But this is an interview question.
Okay.
How will for example, there are default file permissions. No, when you create a file, there will be file permissions. How are they coming? They will ask. Then you have to understand the concept behind it. There is something called umask. So umask value, when subtracted from the default, the full file
From the
permissions,
file
it will be
permissions, we get the default values.
if
Or
you change the umask also, next time you create the file, the permissions will change. For example, I have changed the umask value. Then they will ask you. For example, I have changed the umask value to 011. Then what are the default file permissions? Default file permissions are these.
What are these? RW dash like that only will tell.
666.
Okay.
666 minus. What are you doing here? When you are doing 666 minus 011. What is the answer?
666 only.
That is
No,
only
what
here.
I am asking is, now you told right, if we change the umask value. So umask value when you change, you will change only to 0011, right? You will not change to any other numbers.
You can change to any other numbers also. Umask 0044. You can do this also.
Okay. Then what is the value? How can he ask? Like we don't know, right?
You
Like
will
if it
know
is
it. For
666 or
example, 777 minus 044. How much is it?
should
733.
uh,
This will be
yeah,
default directory permissions.
correct.
666 minus 044. How much? 622.
Si-
It will be default file permissions. The value changes, obviously the file permissions will change. For example, now mkdir and touch file ll, you check. The file permissions obviously got changed.
Now one doubt I got that might be stupid, or
Yeah,
maybe I
ask,
missed listening. This
ask, ask.
777 you have selected like that is directory that is for directory permission.
Full
This
file permissions of
666 is
directory.
for file. So correct or wrong?
Correct.
So 777 whenever we use that 777 it will be for file. I mean directory only.
Correct.
666 if you use it is for file only.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Hmm.
Why? Because you won't be having the execute bit by default on file, but you will have an execute bit on the directory. Understood?
Okay.
Here the execute bit is not there. Linux is complicated like that. Don't worry about it. Okay?
Okay.
Understood. Full
Yeah.
file permissions for the file is 666. Full file permissions for the directory is 777.
That is what. Okay.
Got it?
Okay. So now you repeat that question which you told that time. What the interviewer
For
will ask.
example,
You told that you mask. What if we change the you mask? What will be the file
mask
value?
0022 for example, by default, correct?
Uh-huh.
To check the umask is the command. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So interviewer will first ask you, when I am creating a file or a directory, there are some permissions. There are some permissions coming on default. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know what is the mechanism behind it?
Mechanism.
Or do you know how they will come? Understood. Then you will say umask.
You
There is
mask.
something called umask, and the umask
Which has
value on
set
default is 0022
to
default. Okay.
yes. If we
This is
subtract
default.
that with the full
When you
file
subtract
permission.
this from the full file permissions, for the directory it is 777. From that 022, if you remove, it will be 755. So the
Yes.
default directory permissions are DDP, default directory permissions are 755. And for the full file permissions of the file, it is 666 because by default the execute bit is not available on the file full file permissions. When you remove 022, it will become 644. So 644 is the default file permissions DFP. Understood.
Got
Then
it.
he may ask you, for example, can I change the umask value? You will say yes. So when I change it the umask value to 0011, what happens? Then 777 minus 011 becomes 766. This is the default directory permissions. When it is 666 minus 011, it always becomes 666. You will say how they will last because the execute bit is already not there. The one which is not there, you cannot remove it.
Okay.
It is 666. Understood?
Okay. Got it.
This is the only question.
Yeah. So now you like you will change the umask value, right? To 00011 you will change. So again you have to set it back to the default value, or it will automatically change the next time.
It will not change automatically.
Okay.
You have to change it. Or you have to reboot the machine.
Yeah.
You will never reboot the machine because if you reboot the machine, your server will go down. For example, let us think that we have HDFC Bank now. For example, HDFC Bank server is running.
Okay.
Somebody changed umask value unit. Very stupid way of explaining it, but it's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now umask value somebody changed it to 011. Now some new guy thought, okay, if I reboot the machine unit 6, let me reboot the machine, the umask will change. Once you reboot the machine, all the transactions are dead.
Right.
Then somebody sends IMPS and it will be saying server not available.
Instead, what we can do to change it back to normal?
Just run umask 0022. Simple.
Okay. And
So
then
whatever is there first, we need to
check.
What?
With you,
Somebody else is talking. Let her talk. Hello.
No, I was asking, so whatever it was there first, so we need to change back to the same one, right?
Correct.
The same.
Exactly. Default is 022, which is with another bit that is 0022. Always understand that you have to set it back. Okay?
Yeah.
Simple. You can also check whether you have set it right or not by using the umask. Understood.
Got it.
Clear?
Yes.
So tomorrow we will complicate it bit further and we will discuss special permissions. Okay?
Permissions, default permissions, and now special permissions.
Special permissions are set UID, set GID, and sticky bit.
I was thinking, you're writing suicide.
Oh no, I'm not going to die that fast.
The way you started that SUI, I thought, why is he writing suicide?
No, set UID, set GUID, sticky bit or the 3 special permissions will be there. Then we will be talking about ACLs, which are access control lists. Then we will talk about SC Linux. This will finish off the discretionary and mandatory access control mechanisms. So let us put today is Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday we will be doing special permissions. Thursday we'll be doing ACLs. Friday we will be doing SC Linux.
Okay.
We will wrap it up. Okay?
Okay. So this will finish the Linux part?
No. You are not even finishing the basics of Linux.
Oh, okay.
Linux is 30 days. In 30 days, you're going at a good pace, but you're learning it. You're pretty new to this, right?
Correct.
So don't count your days anytime.
No. I just wanted to know about
No, that early it will not happen, ma. It will take 40 days or 50 days.
No issues.
We are going like this, because there is so much to learn. First of all.
Correct.
So the file permissions you have understood, correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Fine, let it be. You have 10 more minutes. I will talk about something called redirection today. Okay?
Okay.
What is redirection normally?
Directing to some other.
For example, you're going on a highway. Okay? Work in progress, take diversion this way. Correct?
Yeah.
What are you doing then? If you're going like this, you will take like this diversion and then you will go like this. Correct? If your car is going like this, you will take a diversion, and then come back and then go. Correct?
Yes.
So instead of going in a straight line, you are being redirected. Correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
So in the same way, there are three things here. The first one is standard input, standard output, and standard error. There are three things.
This is coming in C language, no?
Every programming language they will be using. And by the way, a small fact for you. Linux is made with C language.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay? So there is STD input, STD output, STD error. Standard input, standard output, standard error. And 0, 1, 2 are the numbers that are associated with it. 0, 1, and 2. Okay, na?
Input is 0, output is 1, error is 2.
Okay. So now standard input is the input you are giving. Standard output is the output you are getting. Standard error is the error you are getting out of command. For example, when I run a command called date, okay, I'm getting output. I'm giving date into input. I'm getting this as output. Correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Now I do data. I got an error.
Correct.
Correct?
Yeah.
I gave data as input, and instead of output, I got an error because data is not found. Command not found. Understood? So this is standard input, standard output, standard error. Now comes redirection. A bit complicated, a bit, not so complicated, but a bit complicated. Greater than, less than, and pipe are the redirection operators we use. Are the
Redirection
operators we use. You already know greater than. When you're doing cat greater than file, output of the file is getting redirected into file. Understood? Understood? Hello?
Yeah.
Got it? No. So when I say cat file, redirect it to file 1, what is happening? Output of the cat file is getting redirected into file. Understood?
Correct.
Got it. Yeah.
So now let us do, instead of copying, let us use redirection. Cat /etc by PSSWD. You know this file already, correct?
Yes.
User information will be there in it.
Yes.
This I will send into file here. Okay?
Okay.
Enter. Cat file. See what happened here? What have we done here? We have done /etc by PSSWD. What is the output of cat /etc by PSSWD? Let us check. Cat /etc by PSSWD. This is the output, no? Hello.
Yeah.
This is the output. This output is being redirected into file. Correct?
Fine. Yeah.
What is redirection? Sending it from here to here.
One place
Correct?
to another.
So command 1 output is redirected as input to file 1. Input to
File 1.
So whatever contents are there will be saved inside file 1. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So now let us say a small complication. Let us add 2 greater than 5. Okay? Okay, but I need to give an ampersand before, I guess. No, not this. Otherwise, let us do like this too. No, it's not happening. Okay, let it be. Let's see this. Good. Next 1, 2, 3. Should be happening, but it's not happening. Okay. So ls, there is nothing. Okay, cd, let's do. And ls, there is file. Correct? Cat file. See, it is getting there. So data, when I say 2 greater than 5, I'm telling that if any error is there, redirect into file.
Okay.
What I'm saying here, data 2 should be redirected. 2 means standard error. If there is any error, please redirect into file. Okay.
Okay.
So what is happening here? Data 2 into file. Cat file when you do. See, that error is redirected into the file. Understood? So data 2 greater than dev by null. Dev by null is like a black hole. Whatever goes inside will not come back.
Okay.
You will not see the output. You will not see the error. Dev by null is like a black hole. You know the black hole concept, right?
Yeah, heard of.
Otherwise, let us say dev by null is like a sea, ocean.
Okay.
You throw something inside it, it is never coming back. You're losing it, right? For example, if you throw your phone into ocean, what happens? It is not coming back again.
Yeah.
Correct.
Even if you know how to swim, it is so deep, you can't swim.
You
Correct?
will not find it. Yeah.
Correct. So you will not be getting it. So this dev by null is like that. Something that's sent to the null will always get nullified. Nullified means becomes zero.
Zero.
Absolutely nothing. Okay. So when you are saying data 2 greater than dev by null, what are you saying? Whatever output is coming, throw it into the ocean.
Okay.
I don't want it. Then it will not return anything. See? Understood?
Whatever output of what it is.
This is error, not. For example, when you are running data, this error is coming, no? Command not found. That particular error is redirected into null. Because 2 greater than. So for example, date 1 greater than dev by null. The output will be redirected.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
When I give date 1 greater than file, the date information will be saved in file. Let's see.
Correct.
Yeah.
When I am saying dev by null, it is gone. It is not even found.
Okay.
This is the way you manipulate the output and errors, redirection. So for example, when you are doing ls, this etc, what are you saying? Whatever is there, give it as input to the command. This argument, pass it as an input to the command. This is another redirection. This is greater than, this is less than. Less than means argument as input to the command. Check. It is not coming. Wait. What? It should be working. Otherwise, cat, you can give file. Check. It's working. Even if you give cat file, it will be working. Same, it will be working the same. So we don't use this one. Okay?
Okay.
So this redirection you won't be using a lot. Okay? This is very important. This is very, very, very important. This is redirection pipe operator. Okay? Whatever you have learned until now is okay. It will be useful, but this is super useful. Okay.
Okay.
This thing is super useful. This is called redirection pipe operator. Command once output is given as an input to command 2. Command 2's input. It becomes command 2's input. For example, you know ls, right?
Yeah.
ls-lrt is the command pipe. When you are giving pipe, there is a command called grep. Grep means global regular expression print. Global regular expression print. This is used to print the certain string given, okay, from the data. For example, let us say ls, you have some files here. Let me remove these files, rm star, and then let us create touch file 1 to 100. Okay. LL, you have 100 files. I want file 82 only to be displayed. 82 only to be
Displayed.
Now what you will do? You will do ls-lrt grep file 82 you will do, and only that will come. Check.
Okay.
ls-lrt pipe grep file 82. Only 82 will come. Check.
Oh.
Understood. So what is happening here? What is ls-lrt output? It is 100 files, correct?
Yeah.
Now these 100 files are given as an input to grep.
Yes.
Grep
And
will
this
take it. And grep will do what? Whatever string is given, it will search for it and it will print it. So now when you say file 82, the line with file 82 will only be printed. Check.
Correct.
This line only will get printed. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is one use of it. Now grep comes with lot of options. Okay. Grep comes with lot of options. What are the options that are associated with grep? Grep, I will complete and I will leave you. Okay.
Okay.
So now we have 82, right? Now let me create few more files. Touch 821. Okay. Oh, I need to give file. Okay. File 821, file 820, file 382. Understood?
Okay.
Like this, I have few things. Okay.
Okay.
Now what I will do is ls-lrt grep file 82. See, it is showing 82, 821, 820 also.
Okay.
Whatever with 82, it is showing still.
It is showing, correct.
Yeah.
Now I want only 82. I don't want all these things. Understood?
Okay.
Then I will do ls-lrt grep-w file 82.
What is it? Hyphen W.
W means word, exact word it will search for.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
So grep-w is to search for
The exact word.
search for a
Exact word.
particular word.
Particular
Word or an exact word or exact string. Okay.
Okay.
Then for example, let us consider that there is one more file called touch file 82. Okay.
Okay.
Now
This
when
is
I say ls-lrt file 82. What is happening? This is happening. That file 82 is not getting displayed.
Yeah, case
This
sensitive.
thing is not getting displayed. Understood?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. Uh-huh.
Swati,
Yeah,
following.
yeah.
So this
Got
is
it.
not getting displayed here. Check. Correct?
Yes.
Even if I do -w, it is not getting displayed.
Correct.
Now I will give an option called I. Okay.
Okay.
This will also come. Check.
Hmm.
I is to ignore case sensitivity.
Oh, okay.
-I is to
Ignore case sensitivity.
ignore case sensitivity. Okay. Ignoring case sensitivity is good, but now I am getting file 821 and 820 also. I don't want them. I just want two 82s. Then you can combine the commands WI.
-WI.
Check.
Okay.
Got it.
Understood.
Yes.
Yes.
So now I want to see two lines above and two lines below the file 82. Okay.
Ah.
Hmm.
So what happens here? If you check LL on 82, on 82, on
There is.
82, what are the two lines I have? 81 and 80 I have. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Below I have capital F file 82 and 820. Correct?
Yeah.
Right.
So let us do ls-lrt grep
Yep.
-na2 file. First of all, let us see file 82. na2. na2 means
Hmm.
file 82 should come, no? Okay. na2, no? Correct?
Yeah.
na2 file 82 and below exact I need to give. So I need to give w also. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Exact I need to give, otherwise 82 820 is also getting considered. Okay. That is why you are getting all these things. Now NWA2, when you do it, 81 and 80 are displayed. Understood?
Above lines.
Okay.
Oh.
81 and 80 means you come here and check. Where is 82? First of all, where is 82? 82. Correct?
Hmm.
This is 82. The top
Yeah.
two are getting displayed with NA2 command. WNA2.
Okay.
Okay. ls-lrt grep -nwb2 file 82
Below.
when I do below 2 will come.
Hmm.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
Yes.
Above and below. That.
Above and below. You can also use NB5, NB6. This value can be anything.
Okay.
Understood?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Understood?
Wait.
Yes.
That B5, B6 you told, right? So
Correct.
that 6 or 5 or 2 that represents the number of lines which should come, is it?
Correct.
Hmm.
Okay. These are
Okay.
number of lines that should appear.
Okay.
Okay. B6 means below 6. A6 means above 6. Okay.
Huh.
So now we have seen NA2 and NB2. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For above and below. Okay.
Yes.
So now these are the things that are there with graph. Understood?
Hmm.
Yes.
So now I want to see everything except 82 inversion. Then WB you use. Without 81, everything will be displayed. Without 82, everything will be displayed. Understood? Only 82 will be skipped, everything else will be displayed. Understood?
Okay.
Okay.
This is inversion.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
B is for
Inversion.
inversion. Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So these are the options that will come with grep. Grep is also used to check for files. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For example, cat. For example, let us do cat/etc by PASSWD into file. Okay. Instead of copying, I'm redirecting because we are doing redirection today. Got it?
Okay.
Now ls you do. Oh, I have so many files here. First of all, let me remove all these files. Okay. File star. Okay, that will also be removed. I will just run the command called this. Okay. ls there is file 82 also is there. 821 is also 821. And let me do star. Okay. ls only file is there. What are the contents of the file? Contents of the file are this. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now I want to search for Sankirtana in this one. How will I do? cat/etc by PSSWD. The output is every line that is there in this file. Correct?
Yeah.
I am giving it to grep -w Sankirtana. Sankirtana line is here. Understood?
Okay. Got
For
it.
example, even if you don't give W also Sankirtana will come because there is only one Sankirtana. For example, I will add a user called add user Sankirtanas. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then this will bring both.
Both.
Then you have to give grep -w.
-w.
Understood?
Yeah.
Got
So above lines, if you want to see NA2, these are the lines below. Okay, NA2 is below, always below. Okay, I'll write it here. NA2 is below, NB2 is above. Okay,
Ulta.
this is below ulta. Below, this is above. Okay, so NB2 let us do. Okay, NB2 will give 23, 24. Check. Understood?
Yeah.
Now inversion if you want to try. cat/etc by PSSWD grep -b Sankirtana. Sankirtanas will also be gone. Check.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are giving WV,
W is specific.
then Sankirtana will go, Sankirtanas will stay.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
So let me user del -r Sankirtanas. Okay. Let me delete that particular user. Now let us say let me add a user add Chandini. Okay. Now there are two Chandinis.
Yeah.
Ah,
One with lowercase and one with uppercase.
etc by PSSWD grep Chandini. When I am doing it, only one Chandini will come.
Correct.
If I do -i, two Chandinis will come.
Two Chandinis will come.
So when I do IV, both Chandinis will be inverted.
Yeah.
You will not see them.
Yeah.
When I do only V, only Chandini will be one. The one with uppercase will stay.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
Like this, so many things can be done. For example, cat. For example, let us say ls-lrt. This can be taken, and then you can use grep command. There are so many things that will come. Cut command will also come, which we will discuss in the later classes. Okay. If I give more and more, you will also get over learning for today. So we'll stop it here. All right.
Okay.
I will just paste it also inside your notes so that it will be useful for you. Okay.
Okay.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today's class is a bit longer.
Long.
1 hour 20 minutes. Okay. Fine. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes it will be 1.5 hour. So just be prepared. Okay.
Huh.
Okay then. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.